Ready, go!
For extreme ills, extreme remedies. 6 benefits of blackberries. Blackberries are a delicious addition to any diet. They are also packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants. Blackberries are native to Europe, but farmers grow them across the United States all year round. They come from brambles, which are a type of thorny bush. In this article, we look at some of the potential health benefits associated with eating blackberries, and how to include more blackberries in a typical diet. The following are some of the benefits people can gain by eating blackberries. 1. Vitamin C. Blackberries contain a high level of vitamin C. One serving of 100 grams g contains 35% of an individual's recommended daily allowance RDA, of vitamin C. Humans are unable to synthesize their own vitamin C, so it is essential to include it as part of a healthy diet. Vitamin C is involved in protein synthesis and is necessary for the body to produce collagen and certain neurotransmitters. These processes are vital for many bodily functions, including wound healing. Vitamin C also has antioxidant properties and is involved in immune system functioning. 2. Source of fiber. A 100 grams serving of blackberries contains 14% of the RDA of fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot break down into smaller, sugar molecules, as it does with other carbs. Fiber plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels and sugar consumption. There are 2 types of fiber in food, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, and it is associated with lowering blood sugar levels and helping a person maintain a healthy level of cholesterol. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water but supports healthy digestion. Blackberries contain both soluble and insoluble types of fiber. 3. Antioxidants. Blackberries contain high levels of antioxidants, such as anthocyanins. Antioxidants help people to fight against the adverse impact of free radicals in the body. Free radicals can damage cells and are thought to be closely involved in the aging process plus other health conditions, such as cancer and heart disease. The body uses antioxidants to reduce the damage that free radicals can cause. It is possible that when people eat foods that contain antioxidants, they are supporting this process, but more research is required to confirm this. 4. Vitamin K. Blackberries are an excellent source of vitamin K. This is a necessary nutrient for blood clotting, which is essential for proper wound healing. People have also linked good bone health to vitamin K. However, it is essential that a person discusses their vitamin K intake with their doctor if they are on any blood thinners. 5. Vitamin A. Blackberries also contain vitamin A, which serves several functions in the body. Vitamin A supports the immune system, which combats infections and illness. It also supports the growth and maintenance of teeth and bones, as well as keeping skin healthy. Vitamin A is responsible for producing the pigments in the retina of the eye and helps to support sight, particularly in dim lighting. 6. Brain functioning. A study in 2009 found that rats that consumed blackberries had improved cognitive and motor skills compared to a control group of rats that did not consume blackberries. The authors of the study suggested that this could be due to chemicals called polyphenols that are in blackberries. Thanks for watching.